It's nice to see you guys again tonight after a while, okay? So hopefully you guys still remember the material that we were left off, okay? Hi JJ, nice to see you too. Okay, I'm so excited to have you guys back. All right. So, without any further ado, all right, let me see. Okay, not this one. Okay, let's start with the conversation, the role plays first. Okay, guys. All right, there you go. See. All right. So, today continuing with the chapter 15, still discussing about what is going on the production floor, the conversation happening between John and Steve. Okay, so okay, a little review for you guys to remind you guys what's going on. Okay, so okay, so John is the new finance worker, okay, trying to understand the production flow. So he's meeting with production manager, which is Steve. All right. So we're gonna see what is going on in this conversation. All right. So let's have you guys do the role plays. Okay, so I need volunteers to do the role plays. I need 8 people to do the role plays. All right. You may raise your hands and I'll assign the part for you. And we may start from there. All right. Okay, cool. I see Miss Fu already. Yes. Okay. All right, Miss Fu, I'll have you do John's conversation from number 1 until number 4. And then JJ. JJ, you are taking care of Steve number 1 until number 4. And then Lee Man is going to do John's number 5 until number 8. Mr. Amin is taking care of Steve number 5 until number 8. All right. And then next, let's see. Miss Lily. I'll have Miss Lily's doing Steve number 9 until number 12. I have 3 spots available. All right, so we'll wait a little bit, give 3 minutes for the rest of the class to join and then get their self ready. Okay, meanwhile, review some of the words to remind you guys how to pronounce it. All right, so right here on John's number 1, dialect number 1 here, I have the word finance department. And then move on to Steve number 4, once the material arrive at our plant. All right, and then I'll have sales department, go through 5 different processes. Okay, here is processes is plural. Okay, so that's singular is process, and then for the plural is processes. Yeah, okay, we add the es towards the end. And then John number 4, we have local suppliers. And then next, Steve number 5, purchased materials. And Steve number 6 is suppliers requirements. requirements. Next, move on to step number 8, materials. Materials from Department A. Then let's move on to John's number 9. It's calculated by the engineering department. Calculated by the engineering department. Step number 11. Number 1 priority. Number 1 priority. Okay, the T is really silent, so you barely hear the T. Prior is not priority, it's priority. Okay, and then John's number 11 is raise the cost of production. Raise. And then 12, Steve is percent or record it's the noun. And then same also for John's number 12 is the record is for the noun. And then Steve number 13 is strive to excel in our job. Okay, and then John's number 14 is production shift currently. And then Steve number 16 is pay rate. 16 of John, that makes sense. All right, that's it. All right. 708 exactly. Since nobody else raising hands, I'm assigning to you guys again, getting double the parts. Okay, give me one moment. All right. Okay, I see Jane here. All right, Jane, I'll have you take care of John's number 9 until 11. Okay. Now I have 2 more spots. Okay, let me assign to Miss Fu. You are taking care of Steve number 13 until 17, and JJ is doing John's number 12 until 16. Okay, let me repeat again. Miss Fu is doing John's number 1 until number 4. JJ is doing Steve number 1 until number 4. Liman is doing John's number 5 until number 8. Mr. Amin is doing Steve number 5 until number 8. Jane is doing John's number 9 until 11. And then Miss Lily is doing Steve's number 9 until 12. JJ is doing John's number 12 until 16. While Miss Fu is ending it with Steve number 13 till 17. Alright. Allow me to unmute you guys so we can start the role play. Alright.
Good evening, Miss Susan.
Good evening,
Long
Mr.
to see,
Amin.
not to see
Nice
Miss
to
Susan.
hear you guys, your voice again.
Okay.
All right.
Good evening, Miss.
Good evening, Miss Susan.
Good
evening, Miss Susan.
All right, everybody's already unmuted. Now, time is yours, guys. You may start with Miss Fu.
Good morning, Steve. My name is John, and I'm the new person in the finance department.
You ready, Miss Fu?
Yes, Miss. Good morning.
All right, we may start with Miss Fu.
Unmute, Miss.
Are you ready, Miss Fu?
Yes.
No voice here.
Good morning.
We couldn't hear you, Miss Fu. Okay, let me try to unmute you again. Okay,
Good
are
morning.
you ready?
Yes. Good morning, Steve. My name is John.
Okay, Miss Fu, no voice. Is it me or other? How about other classmate? Can you hear Miss Fu?
Yes,
Yes,
we
I
can
can
hear.
hear her.
Kedengaran, Miss, kami suaranya.
Hey. Can you hear Miss Fu, guys?
Yes,
Yes, I
Miss.
can hear her.
It's good. It's okay.
I'm ready, Miss. Good morning, Steve. My name
Hold
is
on a
John.
second, okay? Let me
And
check. Why I cannot hear you guys? Microphone. Okay. JJ, can you hear Miss Fu?
Yes, Miss. Yes, Miss.
Okay, I cannot hear you guys. What's going on? Okay, let me see. Okay, can you hear me? Okay,
yes. Yes, I can.
I cannot hear her. Oh my God. Hold on. Give me 1 second, okay? Because I cannot hear you guys.
Hello.
Can you guys hear me?
Yes,
I
Miss.
heard Mr. Amin earlier.
Yes, it's me, Miss.
Your voice is clearly here. Can we?
This maybe? Let's try. Okay. Mr. Amin, can you hear me?
Yes,
Okay,
it's good.
somebody talk to me.
It's clear.
Oh gosh, I cannot. Okay, give me 1 second, guys. I think I have to try to exit again. Okay, let me try. Okay, guys. Maybe the internet. Okay. Give me 1 second, guys. Okay.
Okay, Miss.
Uh, I'm trying to exit and then re-enter. Okay, guys. Just give me 1 second. Can you hear me, guys?
Yes, Miss.
Yes.
Can hear your voice.
Mr. Amin,
Yes. It's
talk
clear.
to me.
Yeah, it's clear. The voice is
Okay, I
clearly.
cannot hear you guys. Think so. Okay, let me because I heard Mr. Amin and Mr. Tony voice earlier when I started. Okay, let me
Cô memang pokoknya yang bolos itu yang sehat.
Mr. Amin talk to me.
Yes, miss, I hear clearly.
Oh my god. No. Okay, let me try the
Is it?
let me try to restart my laptop like what JJ say. Okay, guys, just give me 1 second.
Oke, Miss. Jadi pun kau memang waktu kau kan bisa siap. Tapi kalau sih kau soalnya saya kayak gimana waktu kau sih kau sih kamu kalau kau ada lo kan tergantung kamu aja. Sama saya kira di kau nggak kita ya itu kan dia rasa tujuh. Jadi lambungnya bisa pasti. Oh, belah. Mà cái là vô cái ra cái rất là bay cầu à vô tập cái tập trung sẽ có tập trung từ đó thì có hai chi vô cái chi mà cái rất là bay cũng vô tập trung về cái rất là bay bài điều rồi có hả mấy cầu à có cái chi vô cái này chỉ không phải có cũng về ta có nhiều khi dạ mấy
Liman, can you hear me?
Yes,
Yes,
I hear
Miss.
your
Oh, this
voice.
Yes, Miss, clearly.
okay. Liman, JJ, talk to me. Anybody?
Halo, Miss. Sudah
Okay,
terdengar.
perfect. I can hear you. Yes, it's working. Thank you for your suggestion, JJ. Okay. All right, guys. So let's start the role play. Let me share the material really quick. Give me 1 second. This one. So, hold it, guys. Okay. Oh, okay. That's the one. This one. 13, 15. Okay. Okay, hold on. 10. There you go. Okay, this is it. Let me try to unmute you guys again. Give me 1 second. Mr. Amin, Jane, Miss Lily. Okay, who else? Miss Fu is not here. Miss Fu, who else? Miss Fu, let me look for Miss Fu first, okay? Miss Fu, are you here? Okay, Miss Fu. There she is. JJ Liman Jane. Okay.
Hello,
All
Miss.
right. So,
Hello.
okay, who's
Hello.
talking?
Miss Fu, Miss.
Okay, Miss Fu. Okay, perfect. I can hear your voice now. All right, let's start the role play, guys. We'll start with Miss Fu. Time is yours, guys.
Good morning. Good morning, Steve. My name is John.
The screen, Miss.
And
Is the screen not in the
Oh,
dialogue?
okay, sorry. I'm just sharing. Okay, hold on. Okay. Okay, can you see, guys?
Yes,
Yes,
Miss.
Miss.
Okay, perfect. Let's do it.
good morning, Steve. My name is John, and I am the new person in the finance department.
Good morning, John. What can I do for you?
As a new person, I need to understand the operation at Intel. So I wonder whether I can ask you some question about the manufacturing process in your department now.
Hold on a second, John. Let me pause this production schedule before we sit down and talk.
Okay. Where do you want to start?
The production process is based on the customer order information that I received from the sales department. First, we order raw materials from our suppliers. Once the materials arrive at our plant, then are transferred to the production floor where they will go through 5 different processes before they become finished goods.
How many suppliers do we deal with? Are they all local suppliers? Do any materials come from overseas?
We have a very limited number of suppliers. We deal with approximately 10 main suppliers in the US, and we only have a handful of suppliers overseas.
How do you control the quality of the purchased materials?
One of the reasons for having a limited number of suppliers is to ensure the quality of raw material. My quality control group work very closely with our suppliers to make sure that they meet our quality requirement.
Do you maintain a high level of inventory?
No, we keep a very low level of inventory.
How do you move material from one department to the next?
Style.
1、2、3、4。
Oh, very easily through the material request form. If Department B needs a materials from Department I, it will fill out a materials request form
3、
and give it to Department A.
14。
A very simple process. How about labor? How do you calculate the labor cost?
The engineering department has done a study on the production process. It has calculated the time required by each different process.
Okay, who's that? John Jane.
So, under normal situations, the actual production time of each product should be close to the estimated time calculated by engineering department.
That is right.
How do you make sure that we only ship good products to our customers?
We definitely do not want to send out defective products. My employees are always reminded that product quality is #1 priority at Lintel.
Do they understand that they should always give their best and that defective products raise the cost of production?
Yes, they perfectly understand that. As a matter of fact, our defective rate is lower than 0.1%. We are very proud of our record.
How do you maintain this excellent record?
We adopt the continuous improvement spirit. We evaluate our operating result very often and strive to excel in our job. And those posters on the wall also help. See the slogan, "Nothing but excellence" over there.
Yes, what is good for the company is ultimately good for the employees, right?
Definitely.
Next question. How many production shifts do you currently have?
There are 2 shifts. The first one is from 8 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. and the second one is from 2 p.m. to 10:30 p.m.
Do the employees earn the same hourly rate, hourly rate?
No. The pay rate of the second shift is 10% higher than the rate of the first shift.
That makes sense, Steve. I think I have enough information for now. I might come back and bother you again if I have more questions. Thanks a lot for your help.
Anytime, Jones, you know where I am.
All right, perfect. Okay, give me one moment. Okay. Perfectly done, guys. The least mistakes, I mean, you guys missed only so little this time. I'm so proud of you guys. You guys still remember everything, okay? Just a little reminder here. I need you guys to check on Steve number 4. Steve's number 4. All right, there you go. All right, Steve number 4, right here, sales department. Okay, it's not sales, it's sales. Okay, like when we go to the mall, like there is sale. Okay, now that the book is on sale. Okay, that means that there is a discount on the book. Okay, now right here we have the word, it's sales department, meaning the department that is responsible for selling the stuff. Okay, so this word sale is going to have a different meaning. It depends on the context of the sentence. All right, guys. So like okay, the book is on sale, the shoes is on sale right now, this sale off 20% off, like that. Okay, so that means discount. Okay, meanwhile the sales department here is like the department there is selling the stuff, maybe responsible for selling to the distributor, like that. Okay, so it's called sales department. Okay, dalam bahasa Indonesia kira-kira departemen penjualan. Okay, sales and marketing department is totally different. All right, guys. The one who's learning management, you should guys should understand the difference between marketing department and the sales department. All right, guys. So anyway, this we pronounce that as sales department. Okay, sales department instead of sales. Okay, no sales. Okay, sometimes in Indonesian we're gonna hear people saying, okay, that's the salesperson. Okay, instead of pronounce it as salesperson, the person who's responsible to sell the stuff, they're gonna say sales. Okay, maybe it's Indonesian because we pronounce it like that. Okay, but when we're talking in Indonesian, it's fine like that. But in English, when you pronounce it, that's supposed to be sales department. Okay, just remember that. Okay, it's sales department. All right, other than that, you guys doing great. All right, because maybe I be used to the word that the pronunciation in Indonesian, right there. All right, guys. All right, so that's the role play for this chapter 15. So you guys already finished doing the exercises here, comprehension test, okay, discussion, and then we'll continue with the grammar, which is about adverb. All right, guys, adverb. All right, so let me share the different file right here. Okay. All right, so this is what we are going to learn for the adverb. Okay, let me see if it's big enough. All right, there you go. All right, so little review, okay, on this adverb. Before I have you guys answer it. Okay, refresh your memory. Yes. All right, there you go. Adverbs are the words that is going to answer all this question: how, when, where, how often, and how much. Okay. Jadi adverb itu adalah suatu kata keterangan ya. Biasanya digunakan adverb itu akan menjelaskan atau menjawab pertanyaan yang berkaitan dengan pertanyaan how, when, where, how often, and how much. Alright. Quick example here. She swims quickly. Okay. The quickly here modifies the verb swims. Okay, so we can answer. Okay, quickly answer the question: how does she swim? Oh, she swims quickly. Okay, and that's so this quickly is considered as the adverb. Jadi quickly di sini, kata quickly ini adalah suatu kata yang menjelaskan bagaimana dia berenang. Oke, dia berenangnya cepat. Oke. Nah, makanya kata quickly ini consider as the adverb. Alright. Okay, let's move on to. Okay, so right here we can see more examples of how. Okay, talk quietly. Okay, how? Okay, explaining how they're talking. Okay, Sarah drove slowly. How does she drive? How did she drive? Okay, now leave now. When do we leave? Okay. And then post the parcel today. When do we need to post the parcel? Okay, now bring it here. Where do I bring it? Okay. I used to live there. Where did you used to live? Okay. Now, how often? Okay. You always complain. Okay. How often does she complain? Always. Okay. And then, Toby sometimes lies. Okay. How often does Toby lie? Sometimes. Okay. And then, don't work too hard. How much? Okay. Don't work too hard. Okay. The question is how much do you not? Okay. How much do you not work hard? Okay. Too hard. Okay. Okay. And then how much? No. The rip is extremely noticeable. Okay. How much is the rip noticeable? Extremely. Okay. All right. So that's the quick example. Okay. And then that's how you just focus on those the 5 questions that could answer it. Then you can figure out which part of the sentence is considered as an adverb. All right, let's do the exercise. Okay, this exercise 1 actually we discussed it already last month. Okay, this you guys already answered it. Okay, some of them. Okay, what you need to do is just complete the sentence from the box A, the option of the words from box A, and then B. Okay, so we discussed that. until number 8, and then number 9 until 16 not finished, guys. Okay, so what you need to do is to identify the adverb in the sentences. All right, now number 9 is already here. He is little known outside India. Okay, now how much is he known outside India? Little. All right, so the word is little. Okay, jadi di sini kalimat yang nomor 9 ini, pertanyaan nomor 9 sampai 16 ini bagaimana kita diminta untuk mengidentifikasi adverb dalam kalimat, oke? Jadi seperti contoh nomor 9 ini sudah sudah kita jawab bersama. Oke, di sini we use the word how much to identify the adverb, alright, here. And then number 10 already, how does he work all day? Hard. Okay. Alright, let's move on to number 11. Okay, you can only guess. Okay, you can only guess. Who wants to try this? All right, I'll have Mr. Amin try to answer number 11, okay, for us. Please identify the adverb. Number 11.
Ada. Oh, number
No,
11.
Number 11 is you can only guess.
Kamu boleh teka ya artinya ya.
Kamu hanya boleh menerka.
How I guess ya.
Okay.
How?
Nah, you can only guess. Okay. Nah, di sini
Kamu hanya boleh
kata
menerka.
keterangannya apa dulu?
Guess ya. Menerka ya.
Oke, guess. Let's see. Guess itu adalah you can only guess. Oke, guess. Kalau bahasa Indonesia, kamu hanya boleh menerka.
Ya, menerka.
Nah, menerka ya. Nah, dalam bahasa Indonesia menerka itu
Oh,
termasuk
kata kerja.
apa?
Kata kerja.
Kata kerja.
Work.
Same like English, right? Oke. Jadi yang termasuk dalam kata keterangan adalah
Can ya. How you can guess ya. How does you
Oke.
can
Nah,
guess?
Oke, jadi di sini ini can itu adalah kata bantu kerja. Oke, kata bantu kerja seperti let's see, I will go. Oke, will is kata bantu kerja. Oke, and then so that's considered is part of the verb. Right there, okay. So yes, this one actually I can admit you guys that this is a little bit confusing because for number 11 is a little bit advanced, okay. So to determine the adverb, okay. So actually it's this one.
Only ya.
Okay. Yes. Okay. So let's see. To figure it out, what kind of question the answer, okay. You can only guess, okay. How
you can guess?
It's guess, okay.
I guess.
Yes,
How you can guess?
is like
Guess.
So let's try. How
do you can guess?
How
do you can guess?
Okay, look, we have the
How
word
do you
can.
guess?
Okay, so we're
How
gonna
do you
use
guess? Guess.
how can
How can you?
How can I guess?
How can I guess?
How
Oh,
can
banyak
I?
kata kah.
Okay. Yes. How can you guess?
How can you guess?
Actually, it's not. Yes. Actually, it's not guess. Okay, dalam bahasa Indonesia ini kita terjemahkan sebenarnya kamu hanya boleh menerka. Oke.
Hanya
Nah,
boleh
dalam
lah.
bahasa Indonesia artinya begitu. Jadi untuk menentukan bagaimana bagian yang adverb itu dalam bahasa Inggris sebenarnya kita bisa
How
menjawab
can you guess?
how can you tell? Oke,
Oh,
instead
how
of
can you
guess.
tell?
Okay.
Oh, how can you tell? You
Yes,
tahu.
that's why I said this is a little bit advanced, okay? How can you tell? You can only guess, okay?
You only
Like
guess.
that.
Okay, yeah. It's true,
Yes,
it's true, it's
a
true.
little bit, yes. I totally didn't pay attention to this level of difficulty, okay? So
Okay.
let's move on to number 12. Let's try again, Mr. Amin. This is to be in our level.
She sing very enough. Enough. Adverb, yeah.
She
Enough
sings
adverb, yeah.
well enough. Okay, so what is it?
Oh, well, she sing well. No, dia nyanyi dengan sangat baik. Enough, ya. Enough, ya.
Oke, dia menyanyi dengan cukup baik.
Cukup baik. Baik,
Hmm.
berarti enough adverb, ya.
Okay. Actually, look at this right here. Okay. Now, okay. So determine the word that we answer using that. Coba kita buat pertanyaannya menggunakan kata apa?
How can he sing?
Okay. There is no can here, remember?
Okay.
How
How
she sings, right? How
does she sing?
does, yes?
How does she
Does
sing?
she? Yes, perfect. Well enough. Very good. Okay. Thank you, Mr. Amin. You have any question? Let's try
No,
again
no.
later, okay, on the other
No,
question. All right, perfect. Thank you. All right, let's move on to number 13. Let's have Miss Lily try, okay, guys?
He knows me better than you.
Okay. Let's.
How?
What is the adverb first?
Better.
Yes, I also agree with you. And let's try what is the question that is answering? What question is that? He knows me better than you.
How much you?
Yes. How much?
How much does he know?
No.
Than you?
How
Than me?
much does he know? How much does he know me?
Does he know?
Yes. He knows he knows me better than you. Yes, makes sense.
Okay, Miss.
Yes, perfect.
Thank
Okay,
you,
let's
Miss.
try number. Okay. Okay, we have more. Okay, you perfect. Thank you, Miss Lily. Next, let's move on to number 14. Okay, I came early this morning. All right, Shirley. I came early this morning. All right.
Hello,
Shirley.
Mrs. Long.
Hi. Nice to hear your voice again.
Yeah. I came early this morning. When you came, when
Okay. What is the
this
adverb?
morning. The adverb is this morning. Early.
Which one?
Early. Early.
Early?
Yeah, early.
Oh, sorry, wrong. Okay, early.
Question is,
Okay,
when will you came this morning?
when?
When did you came? You come
When?
this morning?
Okay. Oh, okay. When did you come this morning? Early. All right. When did you come this morning? Okay, when I ask you, okay, Shirley, when did you come this morning? Okay, if you don't want to answer the time, you can say early, like that. Yes. All right, perfect. Thank you, Shirley. All right, let's move on to number 15. Arjun writes better than Rama. All right, let's have Nani try number 15 for us.
Good evening,
Good
Miss.
evening, Nani.
Arjuna writes better than Rama. Arjun writes better than Rama.
Yes, okay. What is our adverb there?
How better?
Better, yes, I also agree. All right,
How
so
does Arjun? How does
how
how does
does,
Arjun write?
all right, how does Arjun write compared to Rama? Yes, we can use that also. How does Arjun write compared to Rama? Bagaimana si Arjun itu menulis dibandingkan dengan Rama? Okay, and number 13, we can also use that, okay? Compared to me. Okay, hold on. Compared to me, how much does he know you? That. All right. So when there is a comparison like then blah blah blah, then we can use this. Okay. How does Arjun write compared to Rama? Okay. All right. Perfect. Where's Nani? Okay. So let's move on to number 16, guys. Okay. Harry writes best of all. All right. Let's have, who wants to try that? Harry writes best of all. Harry menulis yang paling baik dibandingkan semua orang ya. Terbaik, menulis yang terbaik. Okay. Well, let's have Shirley try number 16. Okay.
Okay. Best. The adverb is best.
Best, also good. Okay, so question
So,
that used.
question is, how much does Harry write?
How much does Harry write? Alright, how much? Seberapa banyak si Harry menulis? Okay. Okay, I think we just use how. Okay, how?
How does Harry write?
How does Harry write? Because this is best also. Best is gonna be like good, best, and better. Good, better, and best. Okay. Now here is the comparison to all of us. Okay. So now we're gonna use that. How does Harry write compared to all
Compared
of
to the
us?
other. Compared to all.
Yes. All means all. Of course, all of us, all of you. Okay. That's it. all of us, or all. Okay, so to make it more clear, we're gonna use the all of us. Okay, how does Harry writes compares to all of us? He writes best of all. Okay, dia menulis yang paling terbaik dibandingkan kita semua. Alright, perfect. Thank you, Shirley. Alright, perfect. Number 17, same. We're still gonna identify the adverb in the following sentence. Okay. Here, I need you, okay. No, identify, okay. I need you guys to put these words in the brackets into the sentence. Oke, jadi untuk pertanyaan nomor 17 sampai 20 ini, kita diminta untuk menggunakan adverb yang berada di dalam kurung ini. Kata adverb dalam kurung ini dimasukkan ke dalam kalimat. He invited me to visit him, blah blah blah. Alright. Now use this word often inside. Put it in the sentence there. Alright, guys. Alright, that's 17. Let's see. Alright, I see JJ here. Okay. Let's hear from JJ.
He invited me to visit him often. Gitu ya, Miss?
Okay. Okay, let's
Oftenly.
see. He invited me to visit him often. Oke, dalam bahasa Indonesia kira-kira bagaimana?
Dia
Terjemahannya?
Dia mengundang saya untuk mengunjunginya sesering mungkin.
Oke, sesering mungkin. Oke. Now, so he invited me he invited me to visit him often. Oke. Nah, dia mengundang saya untuk mengunjunginya sesering mungkin. Oke. Nah, biasanya kalau untuk kalimat yang seperti tadi itu, untuk mengunjunginya sesering mungkin, itu kita menggunakan like this. He invited me to visit him more often. Okay. We usually use that word, the word more often. Okay. Not often only like that. Untuk kalimat yang mempunyai makna seperti yang sesering mungkin ya. Nah, itu use more often. Okay. Now, instead of that, in this bracket here, we only have the word often. Okay. Jadi, kira-kira, let's try again.
He invited me to visit him often. Dia meminta saya mengunjunginya sering.
Okay. That's not exactly, okay, that we use the often here. Okay. Often, sometimes, seldom, okay, usually, okay, those are the words that we usually put it not towards the end. Remember that? Okay, we have some here. Okay, let's see. Let's figure out here. Okay, let's see. I think I saw that somewhere. Give me 1 second. Oh, okay. That was on the explanation up here. Let's check it out so you guys can see the difference, okay? Those words, okay, we learned that when we were in elementary, I believe, right? Let's see.
Oh, mungkin oftenly, gitu ya, Miss?
We cannot add anything there, okay? No, look. Give me 1 second. Oops. Here. Pay attention to this, okay? Now, check on that.
How often?
Right here. How often? You always complain. Toby sometimes lies. Okay? You see that? Okay, so those words usually there, okay? Check your work often. Okay? Let's go back. Let me see. Okay, there you go. Okay, so let me give you the clue for this number 17. Okay, example maybe just. Okay, so actually the number 17 we're gonna use like this. He often invited me to
Okay.
visit him. Dia sering mengundang saya untuk mengunjunginya. Nah, okay, that's totally different when you use the word more often on the back, right? Jadi
Yes.
untuk penempatan kata often ini di bagian tengah dan di bagian belakang mempunyai makna yang berbeda ya. Oke, he often invited me to visit him. Oke, dia sering mengundang saya untuk mengunjunginya. And then let's see if we use the often on the back, okay? He invited me to visit him more often. Okay, because there's no often like that when you're talking about invited. When invited is going to be more often. Okay, it goes with that. Okay, jadi biasanya untuk kata invite, okay, if you use the word often, it's gonna be more often. Oke, mungkin sekarang ini berkunjungnya cuma satu kali, kemudian invited you to come here more often, so it's gonna be like more than once, okay, more than what you were doing right now, okay. So anyway, so this is how we gonna put this word often, okay. He often invited me to visit him. Yes, just like Hobby sometimes lies. Yes.
Yes.
Okay, remember when we learned those words when we were in elementary? Okay, elementary or me starting junior anyway. Okay, junior I started learning English. Okay, so that's often there. Okay, so all right, so let's move on to number 18. Let's try again, JJ.
Okay, Miss. The train just has left. Keretanya baru saja pergi.
Okay, the train just have left. Okay, all right, this what do you call grammarly and also like what do you call conversationally, okay, we barely hear that has just left, okay. You said, all right, hold on, you just, the train just have left.
Has just left.
There you go. Okay. Yeah. So when you hear people talking, you never hear people say, "The train just have left." Okay. Yes. Okay. That's what I'm trying to say. Okay. Jadi ada beberapa kalimat gitu loh yang dalam secara grammar, secara tata bahasa, dan juga secara conversational, secara percakapan nih agak berbeda ya. Jadi secara tata bahasa kemungkinan the train just have left, but in secara conversational itu supposed to be the train has just left. Okay, so well, you guys is gonna get used to that when you hear more. Okay, I cannot even explain it with the words. Okay, but the more you hear English, the more you're gonna understand. Okay, where you're gonna put this word, this like that. Okay, that's just by the habits like that. Okay, all right, just keep on trying, JJ. Okay.
Miss Susan.
Okay, thank you, Jay. All right. Number 19. All right, he is in time for meals. Okay, the word is never. All right, cool. Okay, I see a new name here. Okay, let's hear from well, it's Susan also. Okay, let's hear from Susan. All right.
Hello,
Hi,
everyone.
Susan.
Hello, this is my first time joining this class.
Yes, nice to have you in our class. Okay, would you like to try answer number 19?
Okay, I'll try.
Sure.
He is never in time for meals.
Very good. I also agree with you. All right. So the never is going to be here. All right. Okay. Would you like to translate it in Indonesian for us, please?
Dia tidak pernah in time apa ya? Dia tidak pernah
Tepat
tepat
waktu.
waktu untuk makan.
Yes. All right. Perfectly. All right. So this is how we're gonna use never. Okay. He is never in time for meals. Okay. Very good. Okay. Thank you, Susan. Okay. All right. Perfect. Okay. Now it's 8:08. Okay. Mr. Tony, can we answer one more last question for exercise 1, please? All right. So let's move on to the last one. Okay, that is not good. Blah blah blah. Okay. Okay. The word is enough here. Okay. All right. Who else wanna try? Jane. All right. Let's have Jane answer the last one for us.
That is not good enough.
All right, perfect. So just like this kind of sentence also, you know, because you guys hear in a lot of time using the word enough, so you understand already, okay? Okay, sometimes when in Indonesian we gonna hear like this, that is not enough good, okay? But in English, because this is commonly spoken, so you guys already understand, oh, in English is good enough. The same for has just left, often invited. All right, so that's the same. Okay, perfect. Thank you so much, Jane.
You're welcome, Miss.
All right, perfect. Okay. All right, so that's the last exercise of the last number for first exercise, guys. Okay, so exercise number 2 already answered also by you guys. So next week, let's continue with the exercise number 3. Okay, guys. Try to review before we meet again next week, okay? That way you have number 3. Okay, only one exercise, okay? There, and then you have guys any question, we can discuss it next week, okay guys? All right, so I'll end the class for tonight, okay? It's nice to have you guys back and then
Thank you.
Thank you,
learning
Miss.
together.
Thank you,
All
Miss
right.
Susan. See you
Thank you
next
so
week.
much.
Next time.
Guys.
Next week.